Today we have a bunch of Carrier 380KC units. Or, well, I don't know. Here we have a Carrier. This might be a Carrier Performance. It looks like a Carrier Performance, actually. It has an Emerson Copeland scroll compressor. Right, I guess these scrolls. Sometimes you'll see those, but they're short right now. This is from 2010, and it is a 3-ton. It's a 2.5 ton. Here I have a Copeland. It's got a Copeland compressor, and it looks like this one's had a new paint job on it. Has a Copeland recip in it. Fan motor on this one is this one has a GE commercial motor. This one has a GE motor. And the one over here, they just 1999. You can't tell the tonnage. Here I have this big fat boy. This one was painted when it came here last time. Was it? I don't know. This one has a. Sure doesn't look like a heat pump. I'm gonna check to make sure it's not a heat pump. Because they look like heat pumps. No, they're not heat pumps. This has a huge filter dryer on it. I think that's a Copeland scroll. It has a scroll compressor. I can tell the brand. GE motor. It is from 1998. So I don't know from 1998 too. And it's a 5-ton. There was everything. Good way. Ouch. Okay. Route. Now there's another bit down here. Okay. Here it is. This heat pump. So this is a revisit for me. Yes, this is a heat pump. I might get a defrost video of it. It's not been running. I thought this was a heat pump. Got a Copeland scroll compressor and a GE commercial motor. It is from 2010. And it's a 1.5 ton. Now, this might not be that exciting, but yeah, that's how they're HVAC. That's how they're flying climate. There's some exhaust fans up there. Ooh, don't worry. That's all for today. Bye.